Purelife Organics Flat-Belly Tea Review. Is this weight loss product legit or just a scam? By the end of this video, you will be in a position to decide for yourself whether flat-belly tea is for you or not. Hey, my name is David and I feel shy to speak in the mic. So, I used this awesome robotic voice to create this unbiased review, which will help you to choose the right product. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to Healthy with Fit channel for such useful health and fitness videos. Before proceeding to the review, if you decide to buy Purelife Organics Flat-Belly Tea, check out the link in the description of this video to get it at a special discounted price. First, let's know, what is Purelife Organics Flat-Belly Tea all about? The Flat-Belly Tea is the best nutritional weight loss blend manufactured by Purelife that can help you to get a flat abdomen and healthy weight. It transforms your body into a slim and fit shape naturally. It has natural and simple extracts that are proven to provide the desired results. It is effortless, energetic and improves our confidence with improved metabolic process. Now let's talk about the benefits of Purelife Organics Flat-Belly Tea. Here are some of the benefits of Purelife Organics Flat-Belly Tea. Improves energy, strength and longevity. Supports healthy inflammation. Maintains healthy digestion. Releases stored fats. Gives you young and vibrant look. Gives you toned stomach. Makes you more positive. Achieve glowing and healthy hair. Purelife Organics Flat-Belly Tea Ingredients List. Here is the list of powerful ingredients that make flat-belly tea so effective. Turmeric 4:1. It is a magic ingredient that is used for years to support your health and boost energy. The specific turmeric 4:1 variation is chosen to provide the powerful strength. Cinnamon. It gives a great flavor to your tea and creates a heat-like sensation in the body, which stimulates the body to burn more fat throughout the day. Coconut milk powder. Coconut has the main source of fat called MCT oil. Those who try to lose weight with keto or low-carb diet can use this to release more fat. Black pepper extract. It is the strange ingredient added to the tea but you won't taste it. It improves the absorption of other ingredients. Acacia fiber prebiotic. It comes from the organic tree sap. It provides necessary nourishment and supports healthy digestion. Monk fruit. This ingredient is added to sweeten the tea. It is sweeter than sugar and has 0 calories. Ginger extract. This is added in order to support healthy digestion and maintain a healthy inflammatory response. What customers feel about the product? There are thousands and thousands of customer feedbacks with happy words about their excellent weight loss with this tea consumption. People are excited about their results within few weeks without any efforts, instead just taking a cup of tea each morning. Apart from weight loss, they also enjoy a substantial amount of energy and improved mood. You can find more reviews from users expressed their gratitude by clicking here. How to prepare this tea? It takes few hours to gather all the ingredients and prepare it at right consistency. Thus, the author with the manufacturer made a perfect blend, with right proportion of ingredients into an easy-to-mix powder. You just have to add this powder to the water and mix it up. Consume it regularly, so that you can enjoy the best weight loss effects. Is Purelife Organics Flat-Belly Tea a good product? Purelife Flat-Belly Tea has been taken by thousands of folks with no reported side effects. Unlike toxic medications, everything inside Purelife Flat-Belly Tea is natural. You might experience some nights where you don't want to go to sleep when your energy levels soar through the roof. And you might have friends pestering you and asking what you've been up to look so good, but we trust those are minor annoyances. Is Purelife Flat-Belly Tea safe? There are no negative side effects to worry about. Everything is 100% natural and safe. Is Purelife Flat-Belly Tea GMP certified? Yes, the Purelife Flat-Belly Tea manufacturer in an FDA-registered facility that follows GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice guidelines. My final verdict. The flat-belly tea is the best weight loss solution that needs no efforts like diets, supplements, exercise or any other practices. You can just mix the powder in water and consume every morning to boost your fat-burning process and lose all the excess pounds from your body to look young, healthy, slim and fit. If you don't get satisfied, you can return the bottle in 60 days and claim 100% of your money back. Get now before the offer ends. And one more thing. You have an amazing benefit to use this 100% money-back guarantee for the first 60 days of your purchase. If you aren't satisfied or not benefited by the product, then you can claim your 100% refund immediately. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in description of this video to buy Purelife Organics Flat-Belly Tea at a limited time discounted price. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.